Hey guys, I am going to try to make a little video to walk you through this Kami extension. Okay, two things that you need to know first. Number one, you need to be operating in Google Chrome. So Google Chrome is a web browser. Some people use Internet Explorer, which is the E. Some people use Safari if you're on an iPhone or an iPad or something. But you can get this device, which is Google Chrome web browser, and you need to get that. The second thing that you need to do is install the Kami extension. So if you're on Google Chrome, see which I am right here, you go to Kami Chrome extension. See, mine popped right up. I'm clicking on it. I believe it's right here. It says this web store. Okay, so I already have mine there. That's why it says remove, but it would just say right here, add to Chrome. And once you click that button, you'll see it pop up right here as a little blue thing, and then it'll give you that option to open documents in it, okay? So again, Kami is just a program where you can edit documents. So I made an assignment as one of the teachers in your classroom, Miss Carrie Cox. And so, but I'm logged in as a student. So this is what you would see. All right, so you go to your Google Classroom, click on classwork. Let me go back here. Okay, so let's look at the one that says math sheet. So I'm gonna say view assignment. Hello students, let's see if we can get this Kami thing to work. Okay, so this is what it looks like on my computer. I have my own document. I'm going to open that. Okay, so this is where a lot of people get stuck because this is just a PDF and we can't do anything to it. It doesn't say open anything. I'm kind of stuck. So here's what we have to do. Number one, we have to go to the three dots in the right. That gives us more actions, and we're going to open it in a new window. Once we open it in a new window, we will have more options. So let's click open with. Now I see annotate with Kami, and that's what I want because this is an assignment with Kami. Okay, so now here I am, and this is in the math sheet. So my instructions said, let me go back to it. Let's see if we can get this working. Open the attachment, write your name in a fun color for number one. See where that went. Okay, number one, I'm going to use the text. So let's see. Purple looks like a fun color. C-A-R-R-I-E. I didn't spell it right. Again, I can't type with one hand, I'm sorry. Okay, so I can make this bigger. I can make the text size bigger. Let's do 16. I can also move this around with this little arrow. Okay, number two, I'm gonna draw a picture, so I'm gonna go to drawings. Why not pink? I have a touch screen, so that makes it easier. If you don't have a touch screen, you can use your mouse. Okay, so now I'm done. Here is the coolest part is when you go through it this way and it's already in Google Classroom. Right up here, see that button says turn it in. I'm gonna click turn in. And it's going to save it right here, and that means that my teachers can see it. So I'm just gonna click turn in. Okay, it's taking it a minute. All right, now say I turned it in and I realized I did something wrong, I could unsubmit it, make some more changes, and do that. Okay, also here's an eraser. I'm gonna erase this little piece because it looks terrible. Okay, maybe not. Well, anyway, you have lots of options in here. You can do shapes, equations, markups, all of that. Okay, I'm gonna go back now to my assignment, and notice now it says unsubmit. So that means I've turned it in. So I turned it in from Kami. I don't have to do anything from Google Classroom. Okay, so now for the teacher, if I'm looking at this from a teacher view, I can look at this me refresh it. Oh, this is the wrong one. Let me go back to this other one. Classwork, math sheet, turned in. That's the one I turned in. I'm going to click on it. And now as the teacher, I can look on this and I can give you a lot of feedback. So here's the button that says comment, and I can type a comment, say right here. I can say nice color. And you guys can comment when you're making them too if you have a question or you're not sure how to do something. Oh, this is a really cool feature. You can press video comment and allow it to use your microphone if you have a mic and a camera. So you forgot to do number 3. And then that's going to be there. So you can make, if you have questions, maybe you have something that's a graph that you can't do on here. You can do it on paper. You can record it and hold it up and say, this is what I got for this. You can also take a picture. You can capture your screen. There's all kinds of things that you can do in these comments, and that's why we like Kami so much. Okay, so now I'm looking at this. Did we follow the instructions? Name is in there, cute color, drew a picture. Good job. Is what the teacher's saying. There's no grade, it's not graded. I'm gonna post it, I'm gonna return it. And now me as the student can go back here and I can see if my work was, look, it's been returned to me. Let me see. Oh, my teacher said good job. All right, so that's how you turn it in. Remember, the first step is you have to get the Chrome browser. The second thing is you have to make sure Kami is installed on it. 2 easy things. Again, reach out if you need me. I'll put my phone number so you can call or text me in the classroom. And then the third thing is sometimes remember you have to open it up in a new window and then you open with Kami. And then once you do that, you're able to work on it and you're able to save it into Google Classroom. See, here's all my work. All right. Let me know if you have questions.